systems can be used to analyze blockchain data and identify patterns and trends, providing insights into customer behavior and market trends. Another potential application of robotics and AI in the finance and banking sector is in the area of credit scoring and risk assessment. AI-powered systems can analyze large amounts of data and develop more accurate and efficient credit scoring models, improving the accuracy of risk assessments and reducing the risk of default. Similarly, robots can be used for tasks such as loan underwriting and debt collection, improving the efficiency and accuracy of these processes. The use of robotics and AI in the finance and banking sector also has the potential to improve cybersecurity. AI-powered systems can be used to monitor networks and identify potential security threats in real time, allowing financial institutions to take action to prevent cyber attacks. Similarly, robots can be used for tasks such as network monitoring and threat detection, reducing the risk of data breaches and other cybersecurity incidents. However, there are also challenges associated with the use of robotics and AI in the finance and banking sector. One of the biggest challenges is the need for specialized training for staff who will be working with these technologies. Additionally, there are concerns about the potential for AI-powered systems to make biased or inaccurate decisions, particularly in the area of credit scoring and risk assessment. One of the most promising applications of robotics and AI in the finance and banking sector is in the area of asset management. AI-powered systems can analyze large amounts of data and generate investment recommendations based on market trends and customer preferences. Additionally, robots can be used for tasks such as portfolio management and risk analysis, allowing financial institutions to provide more accurate and efficient investment services. Another potential application of robotics and AI in the finance and banking sector is in the area of fraud detection and prevention. AI-powered systems can analyze large amounts of data and identify potential fraudulent transactions in real time, allowing banks and financial institutions to take action to prevent losses. Similarly, robots can be used for tasks such as transaction monitoring and fraud investigations, improving the accuracy and efficiency of these processes. The use of robotics and AI in the finance and banking sector also has the potential to improve customer experience. Chatbots and virtual assistants can provide personalized recommendations and support to customers, improving the overall quality of customer service. Additionally, AI-powered systems can be used to develop personalized financial products and services based on customer data and preferences, improving the accessibility and relevance of financial services for customers. However, there are also concerns about the potential impact of robotics and AI on employment in the finance and banking sector. As more tasks become automated, there is a risk of job losses for human workers. Additionally, there are concerns about the ethical implications of using AI-powered systems to collect and analyze customer data. One of the most exciting potential applications of robotics and AI in the finance and banking sector is in the area of decentralized finance, DeFi. DeFi is a new financial system that is built on blockchain technology and allows for decentralized and peer-to-peer financial transactions without the need for intermediaries such as banks. AI-powered systems can be used to analyze DeFi data and provide insights into customer behavior and market trends. Another potential application of robotics and AI in the finance and banking sector is in the area of wealth management. AI-powered systems can analyze customer data and preferences and develop personalized investment strategies and financial plans. Similarly, robots can be used for tasks such as financial planning and retirement planning, improving the accuracy and efficiency of these processes. The use of robotics and AI in the finance and banking sector also has the potential to improve financial literacy and education.